damn anyway. You're welcome. Well, good morning everyone. That won't do. Now, you better? How are we all doing? I had to get out on the trail today. It's been weeks with storm after storm after storm, and I just could not stay in the house again. I couldn't. See, I'm working from home as well, so that takes its toll on you, especially if you can't get out and do the things you love to do on the weekends. So today it's beautiful, it's blue skies, but it is extremely windy. So let's see how we get on. I'm doing Keeper Hill today. I haven't done Keeper Hill in about probably 4 years, 5 years, and I'm doing an alternative route up Keeper Hill, and I have my my old hiking dog with me. I was kind of semi-reluctant to bring her today, for the simple reason is she is 17 and this is a 19-kilometer hike, so I'm just going to take my time today. I'll take some good breaks, and I've plenty of treats for her to keep her energy up, but I prefer her out on the trail to being stuck in a bed at home. I know she's old, but she's 17 now and I want to bring her out to do what she loves, so let's see what we can do. Alternative route of Keeper Hill. Let's do it. I haven't seen all these before, but they seem to put in a lot of small bridges and stuff for bikes, which is it's pretty cool. It's the way to do it. Use the environment. What a beautiful spot. Come over here, Lex. Girl. Gorgeous spot. Gorgeous camping spot. I hear you. The wheels are turning. I think I actually want to come camping here. It's a beautiful river, like. Look at this. Just gorgeous. If anybody knows Keeper Hill, it's more than likely a lot of people are just going to do the normal fire road path, and I love Keeper Hill. It's a lovely area, but walking on fire roads for 15-20 kilometers, it gets boring as beans after a while. So I'm kind of mapping out an alternative route, and it's something that I'll create a GPX for it. A GPX is like a GPS. Like GPS is for, you know, you get from one area to the other, but the GPX is, I suppose, your trail version of it. So if I get this route together properly, I'm going to create a GPX file for it, and I'll put it in the description. Or if I don't get it done by then, I will put it up in time, because that's exactly what we're doing for our website. is we're putting all GPXs for every trail up on the website, so you can download for free. It's great. Anyway, we keep going here. I have a newfound love for Keeper Hill, and I'm always looking for trails for group events, so this will 100% be on our list for Mountains for Mental Health this year, so which is starting soon enough. We're working on it. We've come out at the quarry. This is a well hidden quarry right in the middle of the woods in Keeper Hill. This way. And it's part of the alternative route. Like, these routes you can't find. I just came up out of there, like, which there's no specific route there, so anyway. Okay, let's keep going. See if we can get down here. Over this way, Alex. Is she finding a way? Ooh. Oh yeah, maybe over here. She found the way, I didn't. Wow, the wind is certainly picking up. It's the higher we're getting, so God knows what it's going to be like at the top. Well, we'll see. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, I just stood in a rat, nearly. Actually, sorry, I don't know if it was a rat. It could have been a shrew, or... I was wondering what the dog was running at. Anyway. No, it wasn't a rat. Won't frighten you off the trail. It was a beautiful mouse, winking at me. You alright? Are you alright? I'm keeping a good eye on you, haven't I? The ground is breathing. Very good. Thanks, take care. Look. It's a crazy breeze there. So I'd say we'll we'll get up, because when we turn this corner up here, we're going to be in very open land. So I think our aim will be to get up there and get back down, back into the shelter of the forest. So yeah, this should be fun. I don't know how we're getting away with it, but it's lashing rain everywhere except for here. I don't know how it's missing us. I hope it doesn't rain too much. I don't want her getting wet. So we're nearly at the top, but if the rain comes in hard, I'll turn back, because at least we're going downhill. Just as I say it, the rain is starting. I better jack it up. What's that? What's that? Come on. All right. At the top. My God, the wind is crazy. don't know whether to burn up a coffee here now or make our way down and go and do it in the woods. Okay, I decided we're going to make our way down because the rocks behind me and the wall are actually moving. So yeah, the wind is crazy and it's meant to get worse, so I think she wants to go down as well. Yeah, let's go down and we'll go to the woods and have a cup of coffee. You right? Let's go. So jeez, I'm glad to be out of that wind. Crazy. But I hope you're all doing well. Crazy world at the moment, isn't it? Jesus, it goes beyond thinking, really. It just doesn't make sense at all. We're flying it with the website. We're 80%, 85.63% nearly there. But as I mentioned at the start, one thing we're going to be doing is every trail is going to have a GPX, a navigation file that you can put onto whatever device that you have, whether it be a Garmin like this, or there's free apps that you can get for reading GPXs. So and you can view them 100% offline, which is great. So but we have videos for that as well to show how to upload them and whatnot. So no, going well. That's so weird. I always heard about this, but I never knew it was here. And it's called the Sweat House. What in the name of God? Look at this. I presume the roof has gone off it. How cool is that? I'm gonna stop for a tea. Oh, I'm starving. She loves our Nutri-Grain bars. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. A very easy and simple cook system. So simple. You can go that way for big pots and that way for small pots. Thumbs up from me. Very handy. Alright. She did very well today for 17. Happy days. I'll say, this knife is the best knife I've ever owned. It's the Kershaw Cryo 2 knife. I'll do a review on it because it deserves to get one. It is unbelievable. So quick, so fast. Unreal. Watch out for that. Okay, leave no trace. All right, let's go. What we saw up there was a sweat house. They used to use it back in many moons ago as to sweat out the bad. So if you had fevers or sickness, they actually used to give you magic mushrooms, and you used to go in there, and it was like a very a very basic sweat house, what it was. Cool, look. Never knew this was here. Brilliant. So, nearly back at the car. So proud of my dog today, Lex. 17 years of age, she just hammered this like. And I was a bit nervous about bringing her. But anyway, thanks very much for watching as always. I have a couple of gear reviews coming up soon, so keep an eye out for them. And we're going hell for leather into the website, so keep an eye out for that. I'll have plenty up on that anyway. So thanks very much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button, support the channel. I've plenty more coming, and please don't miss out. So until next time, stay safe out there, stay safe out in the mountain. Yeah.